creation of the YouTube channel. It's usually people are saying that, oh, creation of the YouTube channel is simple and stuff. Yeah, it's actually very simple, but I'm gonna give you some understanding, some insights about the creation of the YouTube channel. This is the thing that I'm going to show you right now. So you have a Gmail account. Everyone has a Gmail account, and it's very easy thing to do. If you just log in with a Gmail account on your YouTube, and that's it, right? No, wrong. You can have a personal YouTube channel, and you can have a brand YouTube channel. It's usually people are creating a personal YouTube channel, but I highly suggest you to create a brand YouTube channel because it's easier to control. And to do that, all you need to press is press your name right here. They'll go down to settings. You're going to press settings right here. Then all you need to do is go to add or manage your channels. Press settings. You're going to press settings right here. Then all you need to do is go to add or manage your channels. Press add or manage your channels right here. And then all you need to do is create a new channel. You're going to press create new channel, and that's it. Or you can go with the creation of the YouTube channel. That's called Tube Heroes channel. Create. And you're gonna wait for it to be created. It's actually a brand account. It's not. It can be easily added and deleted. And yep, that is just it. You already have a channel. But is it done? No, it's not done. You're gonna press the customize channel right here. And yeah, all you need to do is go and add a channel art and the logo right here. We're gonna go through this of course in the other lectures, but you will need to understand the creation of the channel and how it's done. But before you go to the other stuff, before we go to the logo and channel art, I highly suggest you to go to the about section and fill it out. Fill out the about section. It's a very important thing to fill out an about section. You can go and add a description right here. Always press the channel description and explain who you are and what your channel is all about. 100% always do that first before you're gonna go through anything. Just who you are and what your channel is all about. You can always change this in the future. Add an email for your business inquiry, and of course add the location. You can add the links later. You don't need this 100% first because people are usually rarely clicking the links. The links will appear right here in the corner of the banner, but you can add it if you want right away. All you need to do is press the link, add right here, and add the title. Let's say the Pinterest. You're gonna add a Pinterest link right here, and it will have a Pinterest logo actually, and add whatever amount of lectures that you have, whatever amount of the links that you have, you can add this to your channel art, and that's it. That will all be it. You can have all the names right here. It is not necessary to do links at the beginning, but it's necessary to do the about section and the channel creation. Why the brand account? Because you can change and delete the brand account whatever you want, and however you are not restricted with anything on the brand account, and it's actually very simple to control, and you don't have your email showing right here, which you don't want in some cases. So it is very, very simple to do. Like I 100% recommend you to create a brand account. And that's it. So we can just go on to the next lecture.